To Vlogmas day 14. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm in my bathroom right now. Both my children are asleep. My youngest one kept waking up, so I'm not sure if I'm able to do my bathroom today. So I guess the only thing I can do is the closet again. I just need to clear out all the things that are in the trash bags. There are still some clothes that I need to fold or put away that are in the trash bags, and it's very hard when I don't have any storage containers. I really do want to get some, but my husband wants to save money. He doesn't want us to spend that much, so I'm like torn right now. I don't know what to do. My life is boring right now. I just moved in about a month and a half already. I moved to a new city, so tomorrow I need to go look for a job, and once I start working, I'm not sure if I'm able to make videos. And I know that some of you said that you wish the videos were longer. I really do want it to be longer, but you know, I just moved in about a month and a half ago, so I'm out of a job. But tomorrow I'm going to start looking for a job. I'm a nail tech, so so I took most of the trash bags out. I decided to put my stuffed animals up there so that I can have more space in my closet. I need to clean those out and then put some other stuff on there. So I'm going to keep these and donate these. So I just grabbed the clothes that were in my closet on top of the shelf. So I'm going to go through them to see which one I'm going to donate and which one I'm going to keep. So these clothes I'm going to keep, and those over there I'm going to donate. So here is my closet. It's not completely done yet again. Those trash bags are full of clothes that I need to hang up. I have some clothes on top of the shelf. I put my stuffed animals there so we have more space. But yeah, cleaning the closet is never ending. Those clothes right there, I'm going to donate them. I hope you enjoy this boring vlog yet again. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Thanks for watching. Take care.